Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wondered why your PlayStation 5 suddenly boots into safe mode? It usually means there's a hiccup, maybe a system error, or even a problem with a recent update. Don't worry, it's not always a major issue. Safe mode is designed to be your first step in troubleshooting, giving you several powerful options to fix common problems and get your gaming experience back on track. We'll walk through the most effective solutions together. When you first get into safe mode, your easiest option is to select Restart PS5. Give that a try first, as it often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, go back into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This option is fantastic. It scans your drive, creates a new database of all your content, and can fix common errors or slow loading times without touching your precious game saves or installations. It's a great second step to take. Are you seeing a blank screen or strange display issues? In safe mode, select Change Video Output and then Change Resolution. This often resolves display compatibility. A critical step is updating your system software. Even if you think you're up to date, reinstalling the latest version can clear stubborn errors. You can do this directly via the internet, or, if that's not working, download the update file to a USB drive from PlayStation's official website and install it that way. If prior steps don't work, Safe Mode has powerful reset options. Reset PS5, reinstall system software, clears your data and reinstalls the operating system, often fixing deep issues. The most drastic choice is Reset PS5 Factory Settings, which completely wipes your console back to its original state. Before any asterisk reset, always back up your save data to the PlayStation Plus cloud or a USB drive. Losing your game progress is the last thing you want. If after trying all these safe mode options, your PlayStation 5 still isn't working, it likely indicates a deeper hardware issue. At this point, your best step is to contact PlayStation support directly. They have specialized tools to diagnose complex problems or arrange a repair. Be ready with your console's serial number and a clear description of the steps you've taken. They'll help you find a solution to get your PS5 back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.